We have to update some data also.
Three open wells engaged to validate the review went to the.
Yeah, but the same also. I request you to update. I also want to say why I am raising this issue again and again. Whether you are aware or not, on Monday, at least 2 or 3 officers got charge sheeted in one VC with CS because the data was not tallied. And one of the state, if even at a mandal level we are not able to tally basic data such as hand pump and bore and all this. So, this is data that is being collected for the past 3 months at least. From January month we are collecting. We have suggested repairs based on this survey kuda cheyadam jarigindi, repeated estimates kuda adigamu. So if by end of action plan, means we are at the end of action, code lo vachesamu and well after everything has been finalized, then also our data is not tallying, means there is some serious coordination issue or reporting issue or some other issue. The request to kindly sort this out by end of day today. As I am saying, even smallest data mismatch is being taken very seriously by Chief Secretary Madam herself, Principal Secretary of respective department, and they are taking it as sign of negligence, sign of not paying attention to detail, not visiting, not verifying. Avandi chala serious ga teeskuntunnaru kabatti my sincere advice to everybody sitting in this room is to please verify, cross verify, coordinate and be on the same page. You and this side, everybody should have the same data, and last of all I should have the same data between the two of you, and she should also have the same data. Otherwise we will present a very poor picture to anybody who comes on a surprise visit.
Access madam, reconciliation చేస్తుంటారు.
Then coordination issues at each mandal level, they may kindly be sorted out through a meeting today. And also further, at varam on daily basis lo meer andaru coordination cheyandi. You should be constant communication. No negative articles should come. Okavela if there is an issue, please don't ignore it and don't give unnecessary justification. If there is issue, please tackle it, take necessary action. Then it is better. Rather than మనం ignore చేయడం, justification ఇవ్వడం, divert చేయడం, that's not better. Better is to ask for take necessary action to resolve the issue as much as possible and then proceed. GP special officer should visit GP regularly, take stock of the entire GP situation. Any issue should not come to district administration or media first without coming to GP special officer first. And DSK type of regular issues kuda sort out cheyandi. The drinking water review of 3-4 special issues have come. One is Champagne Mandal, one is Kaplapur Mandal, 2-3 villages in Ainapur. And request CEO ZP to conduct daily TC with MPDOs, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but daily TC with MPDOs regarding drinking water and any other. But the standing instruction is daily TC with the entire department until summer season is over, and DPO respectively may take daily with MPOs also. There should not be any problem.